Just ripped off our rigging point. Holy shit.
Pretty lucky.
What do we got here? Baby squirrels. Okay. Get these little guys down. Come here, little gaffer. Baby squirrels! Okay. Hell of a job, boys! Oh. Okay, pull. Rope broke. Hey? I don't know what happened. Wow. It's just the shock load from hitting there, and it's stretching all the way to here, right? Wow.
Yeah, but the meter's still hooked up.
Yeah, it broke below.
The meter must have been caught up or something.
That pulley just failed. I told him that too.
What?
Really broke.
Go get it. For f***ing sakes, a clove hitch. I chirp him every single time he sends a clove hitch down.
Yeah.
So what happened there? That block, he didn't realize the block had inverted. It was running on the shiv, like the thing that loosens.
Yeah.
So it was loosening as we were using it.
Oh,
and then
okay.
it failed and it bent it, I think.
Okay.
I'm gonna find out in a second.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't even see it make the final cut. I didn't see how it came down, so I was...
It snapped and then it slacked and then it came straight down. So this is why I hate using a clove hitch for my rigging. Look at this.
I'm gonna cut it out.
Good luck getting that shit off.
Adam. Gotta cut it along here.
Oh, fuck. Okay. Was that 3-1? Oh, f me. Maybe. Fuck me. Oh my god. That wasn't a Dutchman, that was Bart. I didn't do the side cut.
That was like that video. It was going like here and then
It was going here and then it ended up over here.
yeah.
Okay. Hold the tag out, I'm just going to cut my notch. All right, let it run. Okay. Yep. Holy. Uh-huh. Me.
I got jammed up. Thanks a lot.
Try it again.
Ready?
Give her.
Oh man. I'm so happy I didn't go down more.
I think I laughed so hard I wrecked the video.